And this is the reason we came here for. All right, let's spin the wheel and let's see where it goes in Albuquerque. And we got Yarling's Pupuseria over here on 4th Street and close to Manal. And it's authentic Salvadoran cuisine. Walking in, very brightful, very colorful, and plenty of snacks while you wait. A little bit of the menu, they do got more than Pupusas. They got different entrees for you. So a little bit of everything. So don't be shy, try it out, see what they have. They also got great refreshments, some burritos right there. And look at that, just woo-wee. I got myself some chicken pupusas and some carne asada pupusas. Because you already know you can't forget the protein. And just look at that cheese test passed. Let's get it. Oh my God. Let me tell you, the flavor did not disappoint. The cheese, right in your mouth. Definitely a place I suggest coming and check out. Yummies Pupusas on 4th Street in Manal in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And don't forget the protein.